Hey guys, it's R.V.C. here, and I'm back again with another video. Today, we're looking at something small, but honestly, kinda clever. This is a single-slot 18650 DIY power bank case, in black. So what exactly is this? It's basically an empty shell for you to build your own power bank. You pop in one 18650 battery, and boom, you've got yourself a portable charger. No soldering, no electronics knowledge needed. Just slide it in and go. Now, let's talk ports, because this one keeps it simple. You've got a USB-A output for charging your phone, earbuds, whatever needs juice, and a micro USB input for charging the battery itself once it's inside. That's it. No display, no buttons, no fancy screen showing battery percentage. Just plug in and it works. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. No display, no power button. Yeah, this is about as minimalist as it gets. Some people are gonna love that. Simple, no frills, nothing to break. Others might miss having a battery indicator, especially if you're the type who wants to know exactly how much power you've got left. As far as the build, it's lightweight, compact, easy to slip into a bag or even a pocket. Feels like something you'd keep as a backup, not your main power source. Good for emergencies, camping trips, or just having a spare battery on hand. Now, here's the thing. Since it only holds one 18650 battery, your capacity is limited. Depending on the cell you use, you're looking at somewhere between 1800 and 3400 milliamp hours. That's maybe one partial charge for your phone, not a full day's backup power. So manage your expectations here. This is a lightweight companion, not a power bank replacement for heavy use.
So, who is this for? Honestly, if you already have spare 18650 batteries lying around, and you want a cheap, no-fuss way to turn one into a portable charger, this does the job. But if you want something with a display, multiple battery slots, or higher capacity, you'll want to look elsewhere. For the price, though, it's hard to complain. Well, for now, that's basically it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And I guess I'll see you in the next one. Bye.